Want to speed up your iPhone's charging? You're in the right place. Charging slowdowns can happen for a bunch of reasons, like the charger, the cable, your settings, or even your iPhone's environment. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some simple yet effective ways to make your iPhone charge faster. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on airplane mode while charging. One quick way to speed up charging is by enabling airplane mode. Here's how. First, open the control center on your iPhone. Then tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Now plug your iPhone into the charger. This reduces your iPhone's activity, making it charge more efficiently. Solution 2. Turn off your iPhone while charging. If you need to charge your iPhone as fast as possible, powering it off can help. Follow these steps. Press and hold the side button along with the volume up or volume down button. Then swipe the power off slider to turn off your phone. Now plug your iPhone into the charger. When your iPhone is off, there are no background processes draining power, which helps it charge faster. Solution 3. Close background apps and limit usage. Running background apps while charging can slow things down here. Here's how to fix that. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to see all your open apps. Then swipe away any apps you don't need to close them. After that, avoid using your iPhone for high energy tasks like gaming or streaming. To go further, open Settings and scroll down. Tap General, then scroll down again and tap Background App Refresh. Now turn off Background App Refresh to prevent apps from running unnecessarily. Solution 4. Avoid using your iPhone while charging. If you're using your iPhone while charging, especially for power-hungry apps or games, the process will take longer. To speed things up, avoid heavy usage like gaming, streaming, or running demanding apps. Then let your phone charge without interruptions for the fastest results. And that's it. These tips should help you supercharge your iPhone's charging speed. Try them out and let me know how they work for you. If you've got any questions or need help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Catch you in the next one.